I'm going to talk to you guys about our phonics curriculum. Teaching first graders to read is an amazing thing, and I am so excited to be doing that this year with you guys. On Monday, we will be introduced to a new sound. We will use a program called Letterland. They have characters like Annie Apple, Bouncy Ben, Clever Cat. We will learn why when Clever Cat and Kicking King are together, you only hear one sound. Or when Sammy Snake and Harry Hatman are together, they go shh because Harry doesn't like sound. So the beginning of each week, we'll listen to a story, we'll learn a song, and we'll practice blending some words using those letters and those sounds. Then for Seesaw, they'll hear the story again and read the words themselves. On Tuesday, we will be introduced to their red words of the week. Red words are sort of like sight words. I know that's how you've done them in the past, but the idea of a red word is we haven't learned that skill yet. So on the first week, we'll learn some 5 to 6 new words, and then we'll need to review some words with them. So with that, you'll have sight word work to do, you'll have red word work, and we'll do sentences. Now, again, in the live class, we're learning these words and reading these sentences. So their seesaw work is just an addition of what we've already done. Then on Wednesday, we'll read our decodable story. What's great about the decodable story is it will use the concept that we've just taught. So this one, we were working on the short A and short O. So if you can look at this story, there are only short A and short O words. And the red words in them all come from week 1 and 2. So everything will be in our green folder. And the idea is that by the end of the year, the green folder is filled with tons of stories that they can read. The other thing we will do on Wednesday is a dictation. I will give them their words like boy, and we'll write boy or bug, bug, or ball, b-a-l. The lines on their dictation page are for the sounds. So if it's 3 sounds, it wouldn't be a word like rainbow. It might be shirt, sh, t. So the lines are for the sounds. Then they rewrite the word as a whole. Again, this is done in live class. So if your first grader is not attending class, they will miss this assignment. They will not hear the words. It's also very important that they're using the correct page because of those sounds. Then for Seesaw, they'll have a writing assignment. On Thursday, we'll read that story again, and this time we'll ask questions with it. These stories are all in their green folder. The other thing we'll do in our live class on Thursday are sentence dictations. Just like our lines here for sounds, our sentences have lines for words. If it has 2 lines, that means it's one of our red words. And everything with 1 line is something they can read themselves. So again, it's really important they're using the correct page because we want to make sure they have the right lines for the words in the sentences that I'm going to be saying for them. Then for their online seesaw work, they'll have Boom Learning, which is a wonderful website where they'll play some games and they can play them over and over again. And then they'll have a sight word, a red word activity to do. On Friday, we'll do a show me what you know. That is when I want to hear them read those words. During the week, Monday through Thursday, totally help them. I'll help them. Everyone should help them. But on Friday, when they're doing a show me what you know, I don't want to hear anyone else's voice because I want to know what they can read to know if I need to reteach it or not. The other thing they'll do is they will upload a picture of their paper.